Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain filing property tax online in Bangalore. We'll cover everything you need to know, from gathering your documents to successfully submitting your return. This guide aims to simplify the process, ensuring you can complete your property tax obligations efficiently and without hassle. Get ready to navigate the online portal with confidence and avoid common pitfalls. Let's dive in and make property tax filing straightforward for you. Before you begin, gather essential documents like your property identification number, or PID. Having your previous year's tax receipt on hand is also very helpful for quick reference. Once prepared, navigate to the official BBMP property tax payment portal. We'll show you exactly where to find it and how to log in or register if you're a new user. This step is crucial for a smooth filing experience. Now, let's walk through the actual filing process. First, select the appropriate assessment year and your property type on the portal. Carefully input all required property details, such as dimensions and usage, ensuring accuracy. Double-check every piece of information you've entered before moving forward. Mistakes here can cause delays, so take your time to review everything thoroughly. This attention to detail will save you time later. After verifying your details, proceed to the payment section. You can choose from various secure online payment options, including net banking or credit/debit cards. Once the payment is successful, make sure to download and save your e-receipt immediately. This serves as your official proof of payment. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Your property tax filing is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.